Good morning, folks. So you can see it's still quite dark and ominous today. I'm hoping we might drive past this and it'll be a brighter day. Just leaving Delphi there. Now we're coming back here tonight, so we're going out to do Achil Island today, and we're going to go out by DooLough and then loop our way back in by Sheafrey Pass. And so we have a lot to get done now. It's a bit of a late start this morning, but yeah, it was a nice night there last night. I met a nice couple from Cork, got chatting to them, very nice to meet them. But we have to get on with the business of doing this route now. So I'll just leave the camera rolling and we'll capture DooLough again at this time. You can't film DooLough enough. So today's route is one of the routes that I didn't actually chop off too much, so it's still quite a long day. So this is telling me it's going to get me in at about 6:45. By the time I head in, drone stops and all those shenanigans, it's probably going to be 7:30, maybe 7:45. So I don't mind today. I've got none of the gear is on the motorbike. So we're past DooLough here, and then this road goes all the way out to Louisburgh, and then out to Westport and Mayo and Newport. Yeah, so instead of going straight there, we're going to turn off here to the left. See the sign there for Killeen, and this should bring us down to towards Silver Strand. And just keep to the left here. Even the road down to this beach is beautiful. I forgot how nice it was. And it's called, I'm pretty sure it's called Silver Strand, which is interesting because it's one of at least 3 Silver Strands that I know of then, because there's Silver Strand in County Wicklow, and then the other one is up in Donegal. We're actually going to be visiting it in the next couple of days. But I love the way you can see the trees are swept over by the wind. So there's the strand below us, and then to the left there you can see all that rocky hill type area. It goes up into a valley there, and I believe it's called the Lost Valley. It's a hiking trail, and I'm definitely putting it on the to-do list. Yeah, so there's the entrance to that Lost Valley place. Active working farm, access appointment only. Stunning. I should have a bit of a snack here. Alright, so had a bit of a little snack there, got the drone up, got a little bit of footage, not a whole lot, but roll it there, Colette. coming into Louisburgh here. Excuse me. We're down onto this coast road now, heading out towards Westport, Newport. On mountain down in front of me is Croagh Patrick. Coming into Musk. Just along here is the entrance to the car park if you're ever thinking of doing Croagh Patrick. I'd love to do it. I need to be a bit fitter though. Well, more than a bit. There's the car park there. Here. Coming into Newport here now. Now before we head off out towards Spanish Armada and Achil and everything, we're just going to cut out here and get one of the photo rally points. So I think it's up here. It's another monument, I think. Oh, here it is. Yep, there we go. Right, so what's this one now? I can't read that in Irish. Erected to the memory of the West Mayo Brigade IRA who fought here against the British forces on the 23rd of May 1921. So again, it's another battle in the War of Independence. People are going to think I'm a member of the IRA, all of these IRA monuments. But this is a different IRA. Now, get this photo and we'll get back onto our route. So we have to loop back down onto the coast road and make our way out onto Achil and do the Atlantic Road and the Spanish Armada coastal route as well. So we're just coming into Mallarany here. Nice little village. And I know I mentioned it before on a previous vlog coming through here, but there's a fantastic greenway that runs all the way out from Westport, right out here past Mallarany, and then out onto Achil Island. Unbelievably beautiful. So we're not actually too far off now, Achil Island, but we'll go out by the Spanish Armada point. So I'll keep the camera rolling to show you the turn because it's an easy one to miss. So when you're on your way out from Mallarany, you'll be following this road. Hopefully you won't be stuck behind a tractor though. Now you see the brown sign pointing for the Wild Atlantic Way to the left. And so you'll see all these road signs here pointing left. Brown, 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 brown. So it says Coast Road, Spanish Armada. That's the one we're looking for because it's very easy to just go straight where that tractor went, and that'll bring you out to the same way, but it won't bring you along the coastal route here, which is going to bring us out along this high coast road. There we go. I might have my sandwich here actually. It's a nice spot to have it. But let's have a look at the point. Now we're going to drive on out here along the coastal road, so we'll have the coast on our side now for a good bit. DooLough. Smoke, fire and iron wheels. The railway line linking Dublin with Mayo Coast arrived in 1894. The opening of the luxurious railway hotel put Mallarany on the tourist map. 2 centuries earlier, seer Brian Rua O'Keefe had foretold a railway to Achil Island with smoke, fire and iron wheeled carriages. Rua O'Keefe also prophesied that the first and last train to Achil would carry the dead. In fact, the first train conveyed the bodies of 32 Achil Islanders drowned when their boat capsized in Clew Bay In 1937, a special train brought home the bodies of 10 young potato harvesters who died in a fire in Scotland. The line closed 2 weeks later. Well, yeah, so DooLough bag, nice bit of a break there. What did I do? Added on 18 minutes to my time, that's fine. Yeah, so this is going to start going out a bit higher now. The reason it's called the Spanish Armada view or point or whatever is, and forgive my memory again, I have the memory of a goldfish, but from what I remember, I think it was 1588, and the Spanish Armada had sailed to try and invade England, unsuccessfully, and the Armada tried to make a break for it through the North Atlantic, but they were met with ferocious storms apparently. And Ireland, they were going to try and land in Ireland. They tried to make it for Ireland, but Ireland at the time was under British rule. I think it was Elizabeth I, I think, at that time. And that prospect didn't appeal to them at all, to let an entire Spanish Armada land here in Ireland. So so they wouldn't let them land, so they were caught out at sea in this merciless storm, and the whole Armada got separated, and a load of the ships just sank. A lot of them here, but they sank all along the coast of Ireland, all the way trying to get down. And I can't remember, I think they estimated, I think it was either 600 or 6,000 sailors, they reckon, Spanish sailors, died in that wreckage, that Armada all gone out. So you can imagine them, a whole Armada of Spanish galleons sailing along here in 1588, and this being a total blizzard of a storm, and I'm just getting absolutely lambasted out of it. Yeah, so I'd imagine a lot of the ships are still down there. The diving is a big thing around here. All these old wrecks. But what a view. Imagine being so close to land in a storm on one of those old galleons. It's like Russian roulette of sheep. Look, oh, there goes one there. Oh, he's going with his mate. Brendan Doherty. What a road. What a road. And this is just a precursor for the Atlantic Road on Achil when we get onto the island. Very similar. But I know the Atlantic Road is a lot longer and much more spectacular. What a view! Look at that, stunning!